I will provide you with 150 Edu High Authority backlinks to get higher on Google. For a limited time, get 150 Edu High Quality Authority backlinks for only $10. Edu Backlinks will increase your domain authority, and it's really important to continue getting different types of backlinks without Panda or Penguin penalties. So let's talk about the benefits. Your website will be considered trustworthy in a very short period of time, and it will help you to rank higher on Google, and it will help you to receive free targeted web traffic. The backlinks from Edu sites can always override backlinks from non-Edu sites. And Google, Panda, Penguin, Hummingbird, all those are 100% safe. All Edu high authority backlinks are permanent. Detailed submission reports will be submitted, and to complete the order, it will be within 2 to 5 days or sooner, depending on the order queue. And if you want more high quality Edu authority backlinks, please check the gigs extra. Thank you so much.